Okay, welcome back. So today we're going to be reviving some old virgin hair, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So I have a bowl that has the top on it, and then I have my Ziploc bag, and I'm going to use silicone mix and of course your virgin hair. So this hair I just dyed, so it really needs to be deep conditioned, and my sink water gets really high already. So I'm going to put a little bit of hot water in it, and I'm also going to boil some water in the microwave. So while that's boiling, what I'm doing is just adding this silicone mix to my bundles, and this is I think it's the argan oil silicone mix. It smells really nice. But I'm gonna focus most of the silicone mix on the ends where I colored it. Okay, so then I'm gonna use this Ziploc bag, and I'm just gonna put the bundles inside of this one Ziploc bag. And if you decide to do this, you want to make sure that you seal the bag really, really good so that no water gets in the bag. So then I'm just going to pour that boiling hot water that I was telling you guys about earlier into the bowl. And then I'm going to put the top on it. And I'm going to close the little top so, no air can get out or anything. And then after an hour, I'm just going to pour the water out and take the bundles out. When I took the bundles out, they were still like really warm, which is good. And then I'm just going to use cold water to rinse the bundles. So once I rinse it and I make sure I have all the conditioner out, I'm going to just lay it to the side on a towel, and then I'm going to let it air dry. Alright, so this is how the hair looks after I just washed it. And as you can see, the curl pattern returned beautifully. And this is how it looked once it was completely dried. And y'all, this is so pretty. If you want to see how I did the color, the video will be down in the description bar. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.